Welcome to the Overlooker series from Charmingo Sews Academy. Today we're going to look at cleaning our overlocker. Often people tend to clean out the front of the overlocker, but today we're going to go underneath and clean the bottom, clean actually inside. You'll be surprised at what you find in there. We are going to use the Janome 9200D. We are going to tip it on its side. I've got it on a mat. Put a towel down if you have nothing that you can rest it on. We're going to take out 4 screws. I'm going to point to the 4 screws. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Also with this model, we now have to take out the 2 front leg screws. We're going to open the front tray cover and wiggle this out. So here's the bottom tray. This one has been cleaned not too long ago, so it's actually fairly clean. Yours might be a bit more messy, but all you need to do now is just either get the hoover it up, or just take it over to the bin and brush it into the bin. You can give it a nice spray, clean and wipe down. Just make sure it's fully dry before you put it back. So I've now given the tray a clean, but just before I put it back, I'm going to point out some parts of the machine that you can go ahead and brush down. Use a soft makeup brush, make sure it's fully dry. Dust inside the machine. Just the visible parts that you can see, it's all metal. I'm zooming in so you can sort of get to see a better idea. I like to personally blow into it. It just sort of blows all the air back out. You don't want to be blowing heavy and spitting into it. We don't want that, but give it a nice blow and dust it off. Now that we're done, we can go ahead and pop the tray cover back in. There's a little part here that needs to be clipped inside before it can slot in nicely. Close the front tray cover and then we can go ahead and put the screws back in. And that's it. The bottom tray is clean. To clean inside, just get a brush and dust inside, just sort of around here, or where you can sort of see any dust in here. Get inside. I like to blow the dust out. Some people like to use a vacuum. Be warned, if you blow it out, you get it all over your face and your hair, which happens to me quite a lot. For a bit more overlocker care, we're going to talk about oiling the overlocker. So I'm not going to put oil in it now, but I am, for the purpose of this video, just going to point out where you can drop a few drops of sewing machine oil. So if I zoom in on this side, there's the camera. If you turn the hand wheel, we're ideally looking for where we can see metal touching metal. So I would put a drop here because there's metal moving here. See there. I usually put a drop over in the back there. And then if I zoom around to this side, I'm going to put some oil up here where that's grinding. Again, turn your overlocker, hand wheel, and look at where you can sort of see oil, metal moving, and aim to just put a few. I'd say a few, just one drop. Let's not overdo it. 1 drop is fine for the average home overlocker. I hope that's helped.